Without this, the world doesn't exist. Each and every cell, each and every tissue, each and every organ requires this to perform its day-to-day activities. Activities include maintaining of body temperature, throwing out the waste, and lubricating your joints. Yes, we're talking about water. This is Arvind Srinivas, and I'm back with one more topic, hydration. Human body consists of 60% of water. How much water is required for you daily is completely dependent upon the bio-individuality of your body and the type of lifestyle you have. The more your physical activity, the more water you require. The less your physical activity, the less water you require. How do you know if your body requires water? Your body gives you some signals and symptoms saying that yes, I need some water. What are those symptoms? Dark urination, less sweat, dry mouth or thirst, headaches, lightheadedness. You know what? There's one more thing which you wouldn't have expected. Even hunger pangs are an indication that you need some water. You're lacking some water in your body. Alright, how do you find out if that's an hunger pang or thirst? Right? If it's a proper hunger, when you drink water, your hunger doesn't subside. Whereas if it's thirst, you drink water, as soon as you drink water, the thirst goes down, the hunger goes down. Alright, how to adapt a healthy water lifestyle? The first and easiest method is carrying a funky water bottle with you, which reminds you of having water at regular intervals. Second one, you have a lot of smart gadgets and applications where you can set an alarm and you know when to have water. And you know what? Hydration is not only about drinking water. You can hydrate yourself with a lot of nutrients, foods with a lot of vegetables and fruits. So it's all about balancing your daily routine with having proper hydration. It can be even with a lot of beverages you have like tea, coffees, green tea and so on. You know what? I'll tell you some interesting thing. If you don't like the taste of the water, you can add some flavor to your water. You can add a squash of lemon, or you can add some jeera, chia seeds. It's going to give you a little bit tangy taste to your tongue, which is going to make it much more easier to drink. What happens if you don't consume proper quantity of water? The first and foremost thing is dehydration. If you have dehydration, you feel lightheadedness, confusion, change in your body temperature, and so on, which makes your lifestyle uncomfortable. Also, the major cause for kidney stone is less consumption of water. Also, it's going to trouble your gut, indigestion, because you can't cleanse everything out of your stomach if you don't have proper water. So these are just the major three factors. You have a lot of disadvantages if you don't consume water. So what do? Is having water at regular interval, which keeps us fit and healthy. You know what? I consume somewhere between 5 to 6 liters of water daily. According to research, minimum consumption of water for a human being is somewhere between 2 to 3 liters. Find out what is the water requirement for your body according to your lifestyle and your physical activity. So, what's next? Don't forget to carry your water bottles wherever you go. Drink water at regular interval of times. Signing off is Arvind Srinivas on behalf of Team Fit Lab. Meet you again with one more interesting video. See you again soon.